Jessica opened a bank account that earns 2% interest compounded annually. Her initial deposit was $100, and she uses the expression 100 times x to the t to find the value of her account after 2 years. What value is t in this expression? All right, so this is the equation that immediately pops into my head. Whether you have this memorized or not, it's completely up to you, but this is the compound interest formula. You have your initial amount, P is the principal, 1 plus R over N to the NT. Now, I know I'm doing more than necessary, but if you're wondering why all of this is going to make sense, I am going to do more than necessary. Okay, 2% is going to be 0.02, and that's going to be my rate. Okay, her initial deposit was 100, so that's going to be my principal. She uses the expression who cares to find the value of the account after T years. Okay, so T is still T. And if it's compounded annually, that means N, the number of times it's compounded within that time slot, is going to be 1. So I have, let's plug in what I know. I have A equals my principal, which is 100. I knew that already, plus, or times rather, 1 plus my rate, which is 0.02 over 1 to the 1 times t, which is t. So that becomes A equals 100 times 1 plus 0.02 divided by 1 is 0.02 to the t, and that becomes 100 times 1.02 to the t. So what is the value of x? 1.02. So again, I did a little bit more than necessary, but that's because I wanted to show you why all of this will work out just fine.